Here I'm going to play around with the function where you are uploading the PowerPoint that you'd like to show to students into your meeting. So if we do this, this is the reason that we would do this is so that we can also see the conversation that's happening while we're playing our PowerPoint. So if we do that, and the way that we would do that is we would go next to PowerPoint, we would click Browse, and you would upload whatever you want from your computer. So let's say the personal project report for Husky Time, because I haven't uploaded that before. So it uploads it, and then it will start playing it. It will always start on slide 1, and then you can kind of move through it from here. Some of the cool things is that you can see the slide that you're on here. My question then is if you could then navigate even quicker by changing that, but it doesn't look like you can. It looks like you have to navigate each page. So that is a downside at this point. They haven't fixed that issue. But let's say that you now want to get out of this and you want to show your screen because you have a whiteboard up or you have a different website that you want to show students. So to do that, this is not considered sharing. You go back to the share content, and then you would share whatever you want to share. Let's say the desktop. And that way they can see everything that you're seeing and you're going about your business here. Then you want to go back to your PowerPoint. You have to click on the little window, and then you need to go back to hide share options and then share your content again. This time when you browse, when you get to that same PowerPoint, you're actually going to click OneDrive instead of Upload from my computer. And you're going to see a new folder that you didn't make called Microsoft Teams Chat Files. And then you'll share that like so. And then it'll bring it back up. The unfortunate thing here is that it does start it back at the first slide. And so you have to navigate to the slide that you were on. So this would not be good if you wanted to make one PowerPoint for your whole class because you wouldn't be able to skip ahead very well. You might want to consider making a PowerPoint for each day rather. That's all I've figured out so far. I hope that was helpful.